Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the ins and outs of critical aspects of measuring button clicks in Google Tag Manager to help you understand your website traffic better. Let us assume someone visits your website and they might click on buttons like Buy Now or Learn More. You want to know how many people click these buttons and what they do next. Or want to figure out which parts of your site are getting the most attention. That's where button click tracking in Google Tag Manager comes in handy. It allows you to monitor user interactions with specific buttons on your website. By implementing this tracking, you can gain insights into user behavior, optimize user experience, and improve conversion rates. Let's now explore how to set it up using Google Tag Manager, GTM. Button click tracking involves capturing data whenever a user clicks a button on your website. This data includes information such as which buttons are clicked, how often they are clicked, and other relevant details. Now, how does button click tracking work in Google Tag Manager? GTM allows you to track button clicks using custom event parameters. You can define custom events and parameters to capture specific button click interactions. These events and parameters are then sent to your GA4 property for analysis. Now, let's understand how to set up Google Tag Manager button click tracking. Create a Google Tag Manager account. If you haven't already, sign up for a Google Tag Manager account at tagmanager.google.com. Install Google Tag Manager on your website. Follow the instructions provided by Google Tag Manager to install the GTM container snippet on your website. Set up a trigger for button clicks. In your GTM account, navigate to Triggers and create a new trigger. Choose Click All Elements as the trigger type. Specify conditions like Click ID or Click Class to configure the trigger to fire on the clicks of the buttons you want to track. Create a tag for Google Analytics. 4. Go to Tags in your GTM account and create a new tag. Choose Google Analytics GA4 event as the tag type. Enter your GA4 measurement ID and define an event name, for example, button click. Configure the tag to fire when the button click trigger is activated. Test your setup. Before publishing your changes, use GTM's preview mode to test your tag. Interact with the buttons on your website to ensure that the tag fires correctly for button clicks. Publish your changes. Once you've confirmed that your setup is working as expected, publish your changes in GTM to make them live on your website. And that's it. You've successfully set up button click tracking using Google Tag Manager, and you can gain valuable insights into user interactions on your website. Do you aspire to gain the skills needed to become a full-fledged digital marketing expert? Enroll in the Learnodiox digital marketing course today to learn the core and advanced concepts from industry experts and land your dream job and dream company. Get started today and unlock your potential in the dynamic world of digital marketing.